Adding gamification to your Livestorm webinars can supercharge engagement and keep your audience hooked throughout the event. If you're wondering how to add gamification to Livestorm webinars, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to incorporate interactive elements that will not only make your webinars more fun, but also boost participation and attention. Livestorm is a powerful webinar platform, and it offers some cool ways to make your sessions more engaging through gamification. The first thing you'll want to do is start by setting up live polls. You can add polls throughout your webinar to ask your audience questions in real time. Polls allow you to gauge interest, spark discussion, and involve your attendees directly in the content. By adding these interactive elements, you create an experience that feels more like a two-way conversation rather than just a one-sided presentation. Another great feature to leverage in Livestorm webinars is quizzes. Quizzes are a fantastic way to add competition and excitement to your session. You can design these quizzes to test the knowledge of your attendees on the topics being discussed. They also create an opportunity for prizes or recognition, which can significantly increase engagement. As people participate in these quizzes, they'll feel more involved and motivated to stay focused during the webinar. Don't forget about gamifying your webinar's chat feature. Livestorm allows for a moderated chat where you can engage with your audience, and you can add some gamified elements here too. For example, you can reward attendees who ask the most interesting questions or comment with the best insights. This simple tweak can foster a more lively atmosphere, and attendees are more likely to stay engaged if they feel recognized for their contributions. To make your webinars even more dynamic, you can offer rewards and incentives throughout the event. This could be anything from digital badges or certificates to exclusive access to bonus content. Adding these rewards encourages people to participate actively and gives them something tangible to aim for. Plus, it creates an environment where attendees feel like they're not just watching a webinar, they're competing to win or earn something valuable. For a truly gamified experience, think about integrating a leaderboard. Livestorm doesn't have this feature natively, but you can use third-party tools to incorporate a leaderboard that tracks points for different activities, such as answering quiz questions, participating in polls, or engaging in the chat. This will add an extra layer of motivation for your attendees to stay active and involved throughout the session. Now, to make all of this work seamlessly, you'll want to plan ahead. Think about your event structure, where you'll introduce polls, quizzes, and other gamified elements, and how you can reward participants for their involvement. Timing is key to keeping things engaging without overwhelming your audience with too much at once. In summary, adding gamification to Livestorm webinars is about creating an interactive environment where attendees feel motivated to participate and stay engaged. Use polls, quizzes, chat engagement, rewards, and leaderboards to make your webinars fun and exciting. And the best part, you can try Livestorm for free, and if you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to explore all of these features yourself. So if you're ready to elevate your webinars, take advantage of these gamification tips and keep your audience engaged from start to finish.